Hello everyone. Normally, we cotton prints. I have a stock in the collection. Duriya or Kantavark. That is our cotton thread lines. Comparatively, lasting quality feel this Duriya material. This is top and bottom collections. I will zoom this. This is top bottom. You screenshot tick shades and prints are beautiful colors. It's comfortable. Lining is lining. These collections are ready stock available. WhatsApp through order. WhatsApp through order delay expect messages first come first serve delay. First step priority. WhatsApp number provide. Thank you.